Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple. So glad that you are here. I am documenting week 14 of my 2024 Project Life album. So for this week, it is very photo heavy. I have lots of pictures during this week. I have the last day of spring break, Easter, and a couple of fun things that we did on the weekend. So I am using most of March's kit and some of February's kit from Elle Studio. And as you can see, there are a lot of pictures here. I even had to do what is it called? An extra protector page, because I had so many pictures. So anyway, let me go ahead and take you through my week. The whole left hand side of the protector sheet is documenting Easter, and I did use Elle Studios Easter chipboard stickers, and they were really cute. I like the little peeps on there and the little eggs. I used some die cuts, and I felt like it looked really cute. I do want to make an additional scrapbook page, so I didn't want to use all the stickers on there because they are very cute, but I did want to use them on my Project Life layout. So I did do some documenting on this little cute journaling card that has peeps across the top there in different colors. Thought that was really cute. And then I just added, I can't remember if that one on the bottom left, the grid journaling card, if that's like the March or the February kit. But what I did end up using is some of the heart die cut frames that came in February's add-ons. And I just added that on top and decided that I would journal a little bit more because I didn't have enough space to write about everything that happened on Easter. And I did end up using a collage. I did end up using a free app called PicFrame, and I usually like to use that collage app to make most of them. So that is a trick that I like to do to add more pictures with less pictures. Excuse me. So here I'm just doing some journaling. Usually I do save my journaling for the very end, but I figured I'll go ahead and finish one side of the protector sheet and then go to the next, and therefore finish out that way. So I'm just quickly journaling here, and then I journal a little bit more. I hope you guys had a wonderful Easter break. I hope everyone had fun with their families and friends and made wonderful memories. I know that we all take lots of time to jot down all the important memories in our projects, and yeah, so it's taken me a little time here to do the documenting, but I finally do get it done. Excuse me. And then I'm ready to go on to the right side. So on the right side, I'm going to go ahead and start in the middle row. It's a picture of my daughter. She was nominated to be Hornet of the Month, so Student of the Month, by one of her teachers, her biology teacher, Mr. Serrano. And so that was a surprise to her because she said, wow, I didn't think he would actually nominate me, but it was pretty cool. So they had like this little breakfast thing for them, and they were able to take pictures, and they gave them this cool pennant and their certificate, or their certificate. So that was really nice to attend. My husband and I both attended. This next journaling card, it says love this, and it's a 2x2 picture of gifts that I work at a high school, but I work with special kids who have special disabilities, and there's a paraprofessional day, and so our teacher that we work with gifted us these beautiful flowers and a potted plant. She gifted me my favorite candy and a beautiful card, which I do have displayed in my craft area, and so that was really sweet of her. I really appreciated that. And then she catered lunch for us, which was really nice. The next picture over is a picture of a selfie, because I do Are You Kristen's selfie project, I guess you could say. You take a picture of yourself and you jot down 3 right now moments. And I do end up using a rainbow journaling card, which was an extra add-on printable printables from Elle Studios February kit. Then the top picture there, the 4x6 there, is a picture of my brother, my mother, and my kids and I. We were wanting to go and have a cool little field trip. That was the last day of spring break, and my brother surprised us all by taking us to go eat ramen at our favorite place in Bakersfield. And then we ended up going to play mini golf. Excuse me. My allergies are really bad, guys. It's definitely, spring is in the air because my voice is all messed up. And yeah, so I do apologize for my raspy voice. I promise that I'm not sick, it's just allergies. This bottom picture here is a 2x2 picture of what the weather looked like at the moment. Friday, it was crazy. It was like lightning, thundering, hailing, raining really hard, and then all of a sudden it looked like it was snowing because it was just like all this hail that dropped, and it was just piling up on top of my car because I was picking up my son, and it was just crazy. I couldn't believe it. I even recorded it because it's not really common for that to happen here where we live, but yeah, it was just a crazy day. And so I ended up using the WeatherShot app to take that picture, where it jots down your location, you know, how cold it is in your area, all those cool facts. I thought it'd be fun to do that. And then this journaling card here, it says, let's do this again, and it gives me 3 spots to journal. And I do end up journaling about our last fun day of spring break. So that was cool. And then the bottom 4x6 picture, I used PicFrame again to create this collage here. I did end up using 4 pictures. There were so many more pictures that I wanted to add, but I limited myself to these 4 little pictures of Big Hat Days. It's a very popular event that happens here in my area in downtown, and so we love going to this event. And so my husband, he's in that gray shirt with his hat. He looked dressed for the occasion. I don't have a hat. I think I need to buy myself one. I have my boots. We all have our boots, but I'm missing my hat. So yeah, I think that I'd have to be on a mission to buy my perfect hat, guys. Anyway, moving on. This is the extra sheet, the extra protector sheet that I needed to add in because I had more pictures from our mini golf session at Adventure Park in Visalia. And so went ahead and trimmed these pictures here, this tag. I love this card with all the cute tags on it. And then I ended up using this this Love You. It's one of the last stickers that I have from my February sticker sheet. And then I added these small little round chipboard stickers from Coco Daisy's spring kit from a couple years back. I'm still finding ways to use them. I want to go ahead and use all the stuff that I have in my stash. So it's a picture of us playing golf, our scorecard sheet. Here I use a little arrow from the die cuts that came with the kit. And then here's a picture of our ices that we bought. And our pretzel's not shown there, but we did have pretzels with cheese, and it's a nice snack that we got before we went home. And I went ahead and used this 4x6, this gingham journaling card, which I do end up using. And I loved using these puffy geotag stickers that I ordered a while back that I bundled with my subscription from Elle Studio to jot down our location. And then I used this little brown sticker that says Happy Place, also from the Coco Daisy. And I just used my date stamp, rolling date stamp, to stamp out the date. And then I used the geotag puffy sticker to mark down our location, and just started a couple things from our trip. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this encourages you to work on your projects, future or past. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to download your free 3x4 weekly card. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye, guys!